What's up, guys? It's Eddie, the Poetic Picker again. And you know, it's been a while since I did an actual video. So some things have changed as far as my setup goes since the last time I've shown you all that. We've had to move things around in my house and move my daughter back into her room. And so I'm basically working out of that small office. And so we got a storage unit to store most of my inventory in. And here I am about to walk in here. I'll show you the storage real quick. It's nothing special. All right, guys, here's my storage unit. It's pretty neat. You know, I got my shelving up in here and some bookshelves and stuff. Yeah, this is the stuff that I just listed last night. It's not everything. 3 items sold already this morning, so I didn't bring them over here. I'm just gonna drop off some stuff real quick and put them away in the right spots, and then we'll grab the things we need to go and move out. Yeah, and so we're just gonna do some thrifting today. We're gonna actually head to the coast and hit as many thrift stores as we can down in the Goodwills. They opened up about 3 days ago here in Mississippi. We were supposed to go on day one, but I ended up getting really sick, and pretty much today's the first day I've been able to get up and get around all this week. So I'll see if I can bring the camera along. If not, I'll show you like what I got. I'm not gonna show you like a what's sold video unless that's what y'all want. So like, leave down in the comments below if you want me to do some what's sold videos. I will do some, but those just feel very braggy to me, and I just have a hard time doing them. So right now we're in the parking lot of the first Goodwill. My daughter is immunocompromised, so right now we're gonna have to take turns on who can go in. My wife's in there. We've got this weird turn thing we have to do, and the kids have to stay in the car, so it's pretty miserable. We're gonna see how long they'll last today. But this is the first trip. I wasn't at Goodwill for a while because I found a lot of shoes, and there was more that I found. I wasn't able to bring the camera in with me because I forgot my little chest mount thing for it, so I'll just have to show you afterwards. All right, here's the haul from the first Goodwill. All I managed to really find, there were some shoes. And they're mostly larger pairs, 12s and 13s, but these things are brand new, so I think I can do pretty well. Like, these are brand new as well. Those don't do as well, and I spent a little more than I wanted to for them, but I'm gonna give them a shot. And of course, these are limited edition, very nice Nikes. Yeah, that was Goodwill number 2. Ow, I ran into that. That hurt. It just came out of there. Did pretty well. So yeah, don't mind. This is the toy my wife got for my daughter. Up there making noises at the first Goodwill. It's like a little baby thing, I don't know. This is the stereo I got out of here. It's like $15, 16 actually, $15.99. It's okay, and I checked the model on it, and I probably could have made a few bucks on it, but it's not worth it for me. It would take so much effort to actually pack this up, and when I'm packing something up with a lot of effort, I want to make at least, you know, 20-30 bucks on it. I wouldn't make that on this, not for the price of that. But my friend Jared, he wanted it because he's looking for one of these old school boom boxes, so picked it up for him. He's just gonna get my money back on it. Thank you for that. But I did get this Miss Piggy plush. Cost me 99 cents. They sell for somewhere around 20 bucks. These pair of shoes right here, the Nike women's basketball shoes. Let's see, $6.99, and they were selling, there was comps anywhere from, you know, 40 to like 100. I think they probably go from around the 40 to 50 range, but I'm okay with that for 6 bucks. Picked up a bunch of the skincare products. There's 4 boxes of this stuff, which I bought for $2.99. They're selling for around 30 bucks. One of these I bought for $5.99 was selling for around 35. There was one of these 1 ounces, $2.99, that was selling for around 20 bucks. And 2 of these 2 ounces that I got for $2.99 were selling for around $25. So yeah, I mean, it's easy, quick listings that I can do on those. I usually do really well with skin products. If you're out anywhere and you do find some sealed, even if it's expired, skin products, pick it up. It usually sells quick, and it usually sells really, really easily. Listings are never hard on it either. And this is just some of my wife's shirts, and that's from my wife's shirts. So that's it. That's all I got at that store. But so far I spent over $100 in 2 thrift stops, and I'm definitely doing really well here. So we're gonna continue, I think, go for a few more. Yeah, so we just got a Goodwill number 3. It was a wash. It was pretty expensive. It's like eBay price stuff, so it's a select store. We just so we're just gonna go ahead and move on. We knew it was gonna be kind of quick in and out, but sometimes we find something in there. I found a pair of shoes once. All right, yeah, one more. Yeah, this was our 4th and final Goodwill. You can see it right there. They close an hour earlier now, so we're gonna go ahead and call it. Literally closed in like 20 minutes. There's no point in going to another one. This one was okay. I got these pair of Cochrane steel toe boots. They are basically, they're new. They've never been worn. They don't have the laces. They have some tags, but not quite all the tags on them. And they do have a few scuff marks where they've been just stored or moved around. So I'll sell them as probably used, but just, you know, just let them know that they haven't never been worn and that they're still in really good shape. I paid $15.99. I paid up a little bit for them. I could probably sell them for around 50, 60 bucks because they're steel toed and never been used. This hat, $1.49, probably sell for 15. It's not typically, I don't typically do things with that low of a return, but with hats and like stuffed animals, I'm willing to take a lower return because they're so easy to list and so easy to store, so I don't have to worry about it. And then I got these Asics gel rockets. I bought them, I think $6.99. Let me see the other shoe. Yeah, $6.99. They'll sell for around 30, 40 bucks. And that's it. All right, we're just gonna go on home. All right, guys, it's the next day. I wasn't able to do any recording last night because my kids did not want to sleep, but that's okay. My son's taking a nap right now, so I can try to hurry since he's knocked out. We did the math, and I spent just barely over $130 yesterday on all the items that I had, and all the items should sell for roughly around $680, which would leave me about a profit of about 550 bucks. Now that's not including any of the fees for eBay or PayPal, and I did account for the shipping, so that's not, so don't have to worry about the shipping yet. So that's not a bad day work, you know, $550 profit just going down the coast. We only managed to hit 4 Goodwills, one of which was a wash. It wasn't really anything there. Could have done more had we started earlier in the day, but we kind of started later in the day. Hopefully those items help you find some stuff in your own stores, and it was very nice to finally get back out there and start doing this again. It's been a pretty rough few months not being able to go out and source. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you did like this video or got any value from it, please give me a thumbs up. This type of videos you do like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, and y'all have a good day.